your feet aching a little more than usual this time of year? It may be because of all the shopping, running around, standing around, and your feet are going to suffer. Joining us is podiatrist Dr. Lee Cohen to show us some simple exercises you can do to relieve holiday foot pain. This is great for this time of year because everyone is running around in high heels or dress shoes for their holiday parties, standing.
Absolutely.
Oh, we need some help.
Doing too much in shoes that they don't ordinarily do it in. Mostly they do it in sneakers. Now they're doing it in high heels and dress shoes.
So what's the best way to get our feet some relief?
The best way, the problem is we overuse, we need blood supply, the muscles fatigue. I have some stretching exercises for you that you can do. This one, of course, is something you would have to buy. It's a pro stretch. Your heel goes into the back. You lean down. It stretches the calf muscle and back and forth, nice and easy. If you can't have a stretcher, everyone has a belt at home. Place this around your foot.
Oh, this is great. So just some simple things you can right around the house.
All of this.
So put your foot right in here.
Foot in here.
Right.
And pull the top of your foot towards your chest. You'll hold it for about 10 seconds. Do about 3 or 4, both feet.
And what does that help? Does that help the
calf muscle?
The calf muscle? Is that important? Because that's the second time you mentioned the calf.
Absolutely, because women in high heels doing shopping, this is what happens. The muscle gets cramped up, gets in a fixed position. This will help it get out of that fixed position.
Okay.
And it helps bring blood supply to that area.
Okay.
The other thing, here, if you don't have a belt, let's do it with a towel. Same idea.
Put your toes in the middle there.
Toes in, pulls forward. The other thing you can do with your little towel, barefoot, just claw your toes up. Anything that will stimulate circulation or blood supply, that's what's going to get the muscle moving and relaxed.
I can see that really being beneficial because if your foot's in a shoe all day long, I mean, it's not getting any exercise at all, really.
It's not. It's not, and especially on the hard surfaces, the concretes, the malls, the sidewalks, you have to get these small muscles moving or the big muscles suffer.
I take it you put your foot on here and roll that around?
Hey, that's right. And this is a dollar store item. And this is what you want to do. Get this in the arch, move back and forth. This is about a 3-minute exercise. Do it both feet. You can also use something like this, a massage right into the calf, bottom of the calf, top of the calf. Don't forget those thigh muscles, back of the thigh, the hamstrings, the back of the calf.
What about on your foot? Would you use it on your foot too?
Anything you can do on the foot. This I like better because you can put some pressure.
Right, okay.
The other thing, remember, we're trying to increase circulation. We're trying to make the muscles work that don't normally work. So I have the marble pickup. We have some marbles, we throw them out on the floor. You try to pick them up with your toes. You put a couple cups around. Boom,
and you try to walk around and put it in the cup, too.
Absolutely.
Wow.
Everything barefoot. Talking about barefoot, they have now the barefoot little running shoes.
That's all the rage these days.
This is the rage. They are very helpful. You want to wear them around your house. You want to wear them in the gym to exercise. It gets all the muscles, the small muscles of the foot moving. I'm not sure if you want to use them for running all the time, and you need a coach to help you with that.
And what about the barefoot running? I mean, people are, that seems to be a new trend too. Yeah. People running around with no shoes on.
No shoes, and I'm not sure we're really, there's too many variables. Stepping on something, the surfaces you're going to be on, you don't want to step on something and get a piece of glass, something like that. The other thing, foot balance. Some type of shoe insole. If you find you're having fatigue and you have shock that's going through your heel pain, something like this over-the-counter, store-bought, something like this more
a little durable, a little thicker.
More durable, a little thicker, and then there you go.
Great ways to keep our feet nice and healthy this holiday season. Dr. Cohen, thank you very much for being with us. Appreciate it. Happy holidays to you. All right, stay with us. Much more to come when we come right back.